In this video, the stock market crash is currently bringing down the crypto market for the time being, but these are the things you must know right now when it comes to investing with the crypto market. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba kahapon, what we were expecting was this resistance around the 20 MA, and then we were hoping for this to see a bullish divergence within the 4 time frame, because typically whenever the price is declining at the same time the RSI is increasing, that is going to indicate that we might see a bullish trend reversal. However, we saw this massive break to the downside, and this is something that's not typical that we usually see, because traditionally these types of bullish divergences are very strong when it comes to 4 time frame. It usually, or it actually break more often dito sa ating 4 time frame rather than this to go down, and this is a very rare occurrence. Nakita natin siya mag-decline to the downside. And ano ba yung naging cause nitong pagbagsak ng ating Bitcoin price action ngayon? Well, if you're going to look at any other market ngayon, it is because of this right now na nangyari ngayon, which is also another very rare occurrence na nangyari din, which is the current stock market crash. So as you can see, there were 3 times in the current history ngayon na nagkaroon tayo ng malaking crash sa ating stock market. And if you're going to follow the Nasdaq 100 index, you can actually see na we actually saw this 3 times within the history na ating market. We saw this during 2018 noong November crash, noong 2020 noong COVID crash noong March, as well as this latest 2022 crash. And if we're going to correlate this data noong 2018 November crash, let's try to open our logarithmic Bitcoin growth curve, which is yung ating matagalan ng data. Noong November 2018, dun tayo nakita ng crash dito kay Bitcoin. It was actually directly correlated with the ating stock market. We also saw that similar movement around the 2020 COVID crash. So ayan no, dun din natin siya nakita. And then at the same time, we are currently seeing this stock market crash and that's actually ongoing, and that is right now directly affecting this crypto market for the time being. Ayan no. But ito yung kailangan niyo i-take note dito, guys. Even though na the stock market is currently pulling down the crypto market, it does not have a major effect within the long term. Kasi look at this, it only affected some quite of time. Look at this, during November, it only affected within that certain period lang, and then after that stock market crash, nagkaroon tayo ng all-time high dito sa ating crypto market. We actually saw around 267% pump noong 2018. Noong 2020, after that COVID crash ng stock market, not only with the stock market but also the crypto market, we saw that movement of up until 900%. And then look at this right now, nangyari na yung crash ngayon dito sa ating stock market. Now, I'm not really sure if this is still ongoing, but what we can monitor dito sa ating Nasdaq 100 is actually this 100-week MA within the weekly time frame. But if you're going to see a bounce, then this is still a good buying opportunity for the long term dito sa Bitcoin. Kasi in this case, we are still eyeing all-time high dito with the crypto market. Kasi look at this, we are currently at the halfway point pa din ng crypto market dito sa ating logarithmic growth curve, and we still did not have break this halfway point ng ating logarithmic growth curve. So right now, this is still a very good long-term investment opportunity. So if let's say kinakabahan ka ngayon na pabagsak yung market, well, if I were you, I would be buying more during this period. I would be accumulating than selling. Kasi look at this, whenever na we are seeing this very rare occurrence na yun yung bumagsak yung ating crypto market dahil sa stock market. Kasi hindi naman palagi ito nangyayari, guys, wherein yung bumagsak yung crypto market dahil sa stock market. Actually, bihira lang talaga nangyayari yun. Usually, hindi sumasabay yung crypto market sa stock market. Sumasabay lang siya pag talaga nagka-crash yung stock market, which is yun yung currently nangyayari. And right now, this is a very good long-term investment opportunity. If let's say wala pa kayong pera, wala pa kayong crypto sa spot wallet nyo, and this is still one of the best time. Kasi look at that, we saw all-time highs after those market crash ng ating stock market. So in this case, it's actually one of the best time to invest within the crypto market during this period. So if I were you, I would be buying dito sa ating for the very long term, and that is what I am currently right now eyeing dito sa ating crypto market. And let's say, guys, if you want to stake your coins, if let's say bumili kayo ng Bitcoin tapos gusto niyo magkaroon ng interest sa inyong Bitcoin, and take note, guys, that is in Bitcoin, you can actually stake dito sa crypto.com. All you have to do is just to sign up with my sign up link, and then you can claim of up to $50 bonus kay crypto.com. And then if nag-sign up kayo dito, and you can earn of up to 14.5 interest per annum on staking coins, as well as 10% on stable coins. And take note, guys, this is another interest on top of your increasing valuation ng coin. So, ibig sabihin, kahit tumataas yung value ng coin mo, nagkakaroon ka pa na interest sa inyong coin. So, if let's say meron ka 1 Bitcoin, maaari na siya maging 1.14 Bitcoin within the next year. So, ganun yung staking dito, guys, when it comes to crypto.com. So, if you want to stake dito kay crypto.com, just use my sign up link that you can find in the description down below. And look at this, guys. If you're going to stake CRO kay crypto.com, you can actually get this beautiful metal Visa card na hawak ko ngayon. And nakuha ko siya dahil dito kay crypto.com. So, if you want to get this Visa card na you can actually use anywhere in the world, then you can actually sign up dito kay crypto.com by just using my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. So, ayun guys, yung nakikita natin for the long term na what is happening for the very short term. So when it comes to the very short term, let's try to look at this in the daily time frame. Because look at this. Right now, we are actually we are continuing this support area na we are actually seeing in the daily time frame. So right now, we are at that similar support area nitong daily time frame. So right now, we have to monitor if we are going to get a bounce dito or if we are going to break this. But yeah, right now, siguro we have to monitor muna this area muna for the time being. But you can also say na we are forming a ascending channel. So this is an ascending channel forming within daily time frame. So right now, this is what you have to monitor. And if we are going to break the support, then our target would be the bottom of the channel, which is around the 35.3K. But right now, we are seeing a massive support area within the 39.6K area, which is also the daily time frame support dito sa ating Bitcoin price action na which I think you have to monitor right now with the Bitcoin price kasi if you're going to get a bounce, then that is good, of course. Then we can still actually play this movement dito pa din with the daily time frame. But yun nga, if we break this, then 35.6K yung magiging next target natin dito. But for now, we have to monitor this muna for the time being if we are going to get a massive bounce dito with the daily time frame. Now, what is happening right now within the altcoin market? So as you can see, right now, Bitcoin dominance is currently moving sideways. So kung anong galaw ng ating altcoin market, ganun din yung magiging galaw ng Bitcoin market for the time being. So as of the time being, monitor muna kayo ng Bitcoin price action first before entering into any altcoin market. Kasi right now, kung ano magiging galaw ng altcoins, ganun din yung magiging galaw ni Bitcoin. So right now, follow Bitcoin first before entering into any altcoin market. And siguro yun muna update natin for the time being, guys. Hindi ako nakapag-upload ng video kasi kakarating ko lang ng Manila. And yeah, medyo intermittent yung internet connection ko kapon kasi yeah, I was traveling and I was on a flight. But yeah, right now, nasa Manila na ulit. We are back with regular videos. We are back with daily regular videos dito sa ating channel. So if you don't want to miss our daily videos, just hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out these daily videos. So ayun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.